Hey guys, and welcome back to Fixed Drive Ride Fly. This year I want to have a go at wrapping the van. So after a couple of beers I thought it'd be a good idea to get some vinyl from Wish because it's cheap, and if I get it wrong it doesn't matter, just to see how good we can wrap the van. Now it's been delivered, it's arrived with all these crease marks in it, so that's not great, but when we get the heat gun on it maybe that'll come out. But first things first, we need to get the old bra off, get this bonnet cleaned up, and then measure up. Now what I do know is I don't think I ordered enough. I didn't check. I just kind of had a few beers, was sat there on the phone, and I saw some wrap on Wish, and I thought, why not? So let's see how good we can do. Hey guys, so we've washed the bonnet and we've got the heater on it drying it off. I'll bring you in close so you can see the state on this paint. See all the lumps and bumps and faded paint. It's pretty typical of a bongo bonnet really. I've seen quite a few like this. When I come to do the van properly, of course I'll rub this all down and prep it, get a nice smooth surface. But for the sake of just having a go with a bit of wrap from Wish, this will do. So let's crack on and see how good we can get it. There it is, back on the van wrapped. So to answer the question, can I wrap a van? No, I bloody well can't. I've been a right pig to do this. So only one thing to do, get more stickers from Wish. So there we are, we've answered the question, can I wrap a van with vinyl from Wish? Well, I certainly can't. I don't think there's anything wrong with the vinyl. The truth of the matter is I can't even put a sticker in a Panini album without getting a wrinkle in it. So why I thought I could wrap a bonnet on my van, I don't know. So what have I learned from that? Well, I think I'll have another go. And I need to practice before I do the entire van. But I will give it a crack. So cheers guys, thank you very much. Don't forget, if you like what I'm doing, please do like and subscribe. Cheers, ta-da.